Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a closer look at one of DeWalt's most popular drill drivers, the superb dcd777c2 20V Max Brushless Compact Drill Driver. If you've been searching for that perfect balance between power and portability, stick around because this might be exactly what you need. Click the link in the description for price and delivery. First impressions matter, and what immediately stands out about the dcd777c2 is how lightweight it feels. At just 2.6 pounds, this drill is noticeably lighter than many competitors, which makes a huge difference when you're working overhead or for extended periods. The star of the show here is DeWalt's brushless motor technology. Unlike traditional brushed motors, this more efficient design delivers up to 57% more runtime. I've been able to complete multiple projects on a single charge, which is impressive for a drill in this price range. The compact size is another major selling point. At just 7.52 inches from front to back, I've been able to drill and drive screws in tight spaces that would be impossible with bulkier models. This has been a game changer for cabinet work and other confined spaces in my recent projects. Working in poorly lit areas? No problem. The built-in LED light positioned above the trigger illuminates your workspace without casting shadows, which has been surprisingly useful more times than I expected. Performance-wise, this drill delivers up to 500 inch-pounds of torque and a 2-speed transmission that goes from 0 to 500 revolutions per minute and up to 1,750 revolutions per minute that handles everything from precision work to drilling larger holes. I've used it for everything from assembling furniture to installing cabinets, and it hasn't let me down. The dcd777c2 comes as a kit with two 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, and with over 8,000 positive ratings on Amazon, it's clear I'm not alone in thinking this drill offers exceptional value. If you're a DIYer or home improvement enthusiast looking for a reliable, lightweight drill with professional-grade features, the DeWalt dcd777c2 deserves a spot in your toolbox. It's the perfect combination of performance, comfort, and durability that will serve you well for years to come. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. And click the link in the description for price and delivery.